Welcome back to Blue's Garden, starting tomato seeds. I love in summer picking all these fresh tomatoes for my family and for making sauces, but that just doesn't happen overnight. I start by taking some seed starter and sifting it through this little separator. It's made for the gem industry, and sift out all the big pieces so you have a really fine seed starting soil. Fill up my seed trays. Fill them all the way up. Then I use some boiling water, and that will kill all of the fungus gnat eggs. And every bagged soil has fungus gnat eggs. Every bagged soil does. So once I do that, I then top everything off, tap it down gently, not pack it in, and add just a little bit more boiling water to kill off those fungus gnat eggs. Play with the cat, do whatever you need to do. Let it cool for 24 hours. That way there you don't kill your seeds when you put them in. Now I am starting early because I'm going to do 2 plantings of different types of Roma tomatoes, plum tomatoes. I am starting with these Ukrainian plum. And in a 6-pack, I will plant 6 to 9 seeds, more like 8 or 9 seeds in a 6-pack to ensure that I get 6. I plant them about a 1/4 inch deep, which means I plant them and then I cover a little bit with a 1/4 inch, about 2 centimeters of soil. And the second type of plum tomato I'm starting is a Roma tomato. Now, both of these are a determinate, which means they all come due at the same time. Determinates make great sauce tomatoes, especially plum tomato type. So I'll get a large harvest all at the same time. I will actually start another set of both of these kind of seeds in about a month so that I will have 2 different plantings that'll come due, and I'll have a bunch of sauce tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes, and don't forget to label when you plant them. Again, about a 1/4 inch deep, a couple of centimeters, and then cover them up. These go onto a heat mat, and when they're on the heat mat, I will then add a little bit of water inside and cover it with a humidity dome, and I probably won't have to cover, and they'll take about 8 to 15 days for germination. Pretty soon you have seedlings that you're potting up. Pretty soon you're picking tomatoes. Please share this video, it really helps. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.